This video introduces how to use the ELCL Auto Resource Allocation feature in Smart Configurator, specifically for the RL78 family. This functionality significantly enhances design efficiency and improves the overall user experience. The Logic and Event Link Controller, ELCL, enables direct communication between peripheral functions by linking their signals through internal logic cells, eliminating the need for CPU intervention. In this video, we refer to the Logic and Event Link Controller simply as ELCL. The reference video provides a clear overview of ELCL and includes a step-by-step tutorial on creating an ELCL circuit using drag-and-drop operations in Smart Configurator. Smart Configurator provides an auto resource allocation feature designed to help users automatically assign resources to logic cell block during ELCL circuit creation. To use the ELCL Auto Resource Allocation feature, Smart Configurator provides 3 buttons in the ELCL interface for different use cases based on user situation. Auto Allocate Resource automatically assigns resources when no errors are present and some cells are unallocated. It intelligently avoids hardware limitations based on the preset circuit design. Reallocate Resource resolves allocation errors by first clearing all assigned resources and then reassigning resources automatically. Clear Allocated Resource clears all assigned resources in the logic cell block, useful for resetting the allocation. We will create an ELCL edge detection thinning function as example to introduce the auto allocation resource feature. To execute the auto allocate or reallocate resource function successfully, ensure the following conditions are met. All inputs and outputs are connected. All inputs and outputs are assigned. Logic cell inputs and outputs are properly connected. If these conditions are not met, Smart Configurator will display messages in the console identifying the issues. For example, missing input signals and unconnected outputs must be resolved before proceeding. After the ELCL circuit is created, clicking the Auto Allocate Resource button will trigger Smart Configurator to assign all required resources successfully. In the logic cell block, if user would like to specify some cell resource, he can manually assign it first. Then click the Auto Allocate Resource button to automatically assign the remaining unallocated cells. User-assigned cells will be preserved without modification. In the logic cell block, errors will be detected in the resource allocation. To resolve these issues, the user can click the Reallocate Resource button. A prompt message will appear, indicating that all previously assigned resources will be cleared and reassigned. Please confirm the action in the dialog box by selecting Yes. In this example, after proceeding with reallocation, all resources were successfully assigned. In this example, the user has manually assigned some logic cells. If Auto Allocate Resource fails due to unavailable resources, a dialog prompts the user to proceed with Reallocate Resource. If the user selects Proceed, all existing assignments will be cleared, and the tool will automatically reallocate resources for all logic cells. If the user selects Cancel, the current assignments will be retained. The user must adjust the circuit manually to fix the issue. If no suitable resources can be assigned to a logic cell, that logic cell will be highlighted in red to indicate an error. To resolve this issue, the user need to manually adjust the circuit or signal connections. To clear all allocated resources, click the Clear Allocate Resource button. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking the user whether they want to clear resource assignments for all logic cells. If Proceed is selected, all allocated resources will be cleared, and all logic cells become empty. For more information on ELCL circuit principles, refer to the user hardware manual via the provided link. For more information on the Smart Configurator for ELCL, please refer to the online help available in the Smart Configurator for RL78. You can access the help contents by clicking the question mark button in the ELCL interface. For more information about Smart Configurator, visit the Renesas website.